All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the window menu. So if I click on window, I'm going to talk about each submenu real quick. So we have minimize, zoom, preview, record preview, bring all to front, Adobe XD, and then cool UI template, right? Okay, so if I do minimize, that's going to minimize our project window. The other way to do that is if I just click right here on this little yellow dot or circle on Mac. On the PC, the minimize button is going to be here, and it's going to be on the right side instead of left, okay? Which you know how to do that, okay? Then we're going to do zoom. So if I do window zoom, it's just going to zoom in or zoom out, depending. If I click zoom again, okay, let's try that again. Let's see here. Doesn't really want to cooperate with me. That was me. Okay, that's fine. If I click on preview, now we'll get a preview of our artboard. So, and what it's going to do is if I select this artboard, okay, if I select this one and then click window preview, it's going to preview that artboard, okay? And you can enable microphone, you can show notifications. And what this is doing is it's emulating your mobile devices, okay? So the idea behind this is so that you can test out the UI experience for your users, okay? So if I highlight two and I do window and we do preview, okay, it's going to show one. And this is for the iPad, okay? So you can record the, you can record this if you just click on the little record button. And then you can see how it interacts. Like you can change the, if I had anything in here, we'd be able to interact with this, okay? So since I don't have anything in there, it's not doing it. And then what you can do is you can save the recording. And I'm going to save it to the desktop, and I'm going to call this cool UI template and then recording. And then we're going to delete it because there's really nothing on there. It's just recording the UI experience or the UI. Okay. So this is kind of the bread and butter of Adobe XD in terms of testing, which is awesome. Okay. It makes it quite fun to do. So you can see here, it just records it, and you can see how your user could interact with the interface, okay? Which will give you a great way to test your work. Okay, so I'll delete that, and now I'm going to open up Adobe XD again. We'll go back to window, and you can record the preview there, which we did inside of the preview. You can bring all the front Adobe XD, which is a project. Actually, it's the window page. The welcome page, I mean, and then cool UI template. Okay, so you can switch between the two. Okay, so I can close this, and then the only thing in there will be the cool UI template. But let's say that you have another project open. So if I do file new, and we just do the iPhone X, XS, etc. If I go to window and I do cool UI template, okay, then it's going to open that. And then if I go to window and do Untitled 1, there you go. That's how you switch between them. So I'm going to close this window, and I'm not going to save it. I will save this one. So let's do File, Save. And that, my friends, is the window menu. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.